Public park metal detecting in Germany after big snow. There is my hill. Let's go collect some lost coins. Maybe we have some pfennig. Aha! As I said, 1 Deutsche Mark. Okay, very nice find. The year 1 Deutsche Mark in 1992. Nini! Maybe coin. But I'm not sure. Do you think it's coin? Yes? Or buttercup? Buck. There is something. Buttercup, only Nini buttercup. Trash. What is this? A very old key. Look at this, how beautiful. Wow, this is something special. Looking like. Okay, at home I'm gonna wash. Look at this. I like it.
No.
Money, Nini. Double, triple, €1.10. Look at now this. Look at this. €1.10. Is there more? There is more. Wait, Nini. There is more. Don't run. We have a money hole. I hope. Here is the 5 cent, I guess. What is this? 5 cent. And then more. More, Nini. Wait for it. €1.15 already, and there is more. Here is more 10 cents, 20 cents. And Nina found something more interesting. Earthworm. Oops, falling down. Nina and the earthworm. What is this here? €1. Nice. Wow! We can already buy Nini again lot of pretzel. Tomorrow. Okay. Yes? You have earthworm? Then I have money. Oh, Nini, what is this? 2 Deutsche Mark. 1969. Well done. My family don't need metal detector because they just find like this the cents. Wow! Proud of you! Okay, put here. Here, Nini, here. Or there. Okay. Wow, I'm proud of you. That's what we're coming for. Here is the €2. There. Fresh drop.
Nina.
Okay.
The worm is there.
The worm is there and the money somewhere.
There is a worm.
Here is the money, €1, not 50 cents, more better. Okay. That was this video. We found more than €5, some old German coin. We had a lot of fun. We enjoyed the good weather, had good weather, 10 Celsius. We see each other in the next time, in the next video. You can wave, Nini, to the viewers. Bye bye.